This is mind-blowing. So this is one of my favorite stories, and it's one of my favorite stories because I think all of us can relate to this guy. This was a guy who had a lot of potential, but it was unfulfilled potential. And I don't know if you've ever felt like you've got some unfulfilled potential, but I know for a very, very long time in my life, I felt like I had, man, so much unfulfilled, untapped potential. And I was working on stuff, and the stuff I was working on wasn't working for me. I'm glad I didn't make the mistake of thinking that because it wasn't working for me, that it wasn't working. Because over in Proverbs, it tells us that all work works, right? What does that mean? All work works. It says, in all labor there is profit, right? But the talk of the lip lendeth only to penury. So when I say all work works, if you're working on something and it's not working for you, you can rest assured that it's working on you. And if you will allow it to continue to work on you until the work is done, it will turn you into the kind of person for whom it can work. Just don't give up. And sometimes that takes longer than we think it's going to take.